Recording. Okay, this is our close combat quarter shotgun gauntlet here, run and gun. Shooter ready?
Ready.
And go! Ooh, missed one. Right, low right.
You're dead. I missed one?
Yeah, you did. There's one more right there.
Oh.
But you missed another one too, so that's all.
What are we doing? Three?
Yeah, 3 on each plate. Hit. Hit.
Ah, suck.
Woo. Ooh, let's look at your plates.
All right.
This one we've got 2 holes, so 1 miss on there.
That's good having to look for the targets while you run.
This one's only got 1 hole there, so 2 misses on it.
Shoot. Okay.
And then I think we only had, what, 2 hits on the plate?
Yeah.
2 or 3. All right.